Hello guys, Moonstar back here again. This is another item, another movie that I purchased today. This is the third Twilight movie, and I believe that the last chapter was in two parts, and this is part one. And actually, this is the only Twilight movie that kept me from falling asleep, to be honest. So let's do the unboxing. I got it for $1, so no harm or done. There we go. So this is the front cover of the DVD. This is the spine, and this is the back. And inside we have the disc, and I'm not sure what this is, to be honest. Oh, the case is broken. Oh, that's sad. Alright, so here it is, guys. Twilight, third movie, part 1. I'm not sure what the subtitle was, but never mind. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.